Hi, this is your host inviting you to join me on an incredible journey through nature's most enchanting wisdom. Each week, we explore the fascinating world of plants, revealing their secrets and empowering you to live a healthier, more natural life. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our weekly adventures. Today, we're uncovering the incredible story of Yarrow, one of Earth's oldest herbal allies. Yarrow might look like just another pretty wildflower, with its soft, feathery leaves and delicate white or pink clusters of flowers. But don't be fooled, this plant is a warrior. Way back in 1960, archaeologists found something astonishing in a Neanderthal grave in Iraq, fossilized pollen from yarrow. That means even our ancient ancestors may have used it for healing long before modern medicine ever existed. And it gets better. Yarrow's botanical name, Achillea millefolium, comes from the Greek hero Achilles. According to legend, he carried yarrow into battle to treat the wounds of his fellow soldiers. That's how powerful this little plant is. It's been stopping bleeding and speeding healing for thousands of years. If you'd like to grow some of this ancient remedy in your own backyard, yarrow is the perfect beginner herb. It loves full sunshine and doesn't mind dry soil. In fact, it thrives with a little tough love. Just plant it in a well-drained spot and let it do its thing. You can harvest the blooms all summer long to make tea or healing salves. One visual trick to tell if your yarrow is happy: look for bees. Pollinators love these flowers, and when they show up, you'll know your garden is thriving. Want to make a yarrow remedy at home? Try a simple yarrow tea. Just snip a few fresh flowers and steep them in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. This tea can help with fevers, digestion, and calming inflammation. And always remember to check with a grown-up or herbalist before using plants for healing. And here's a fun folklore fact. In ancient times, yarrow was used in divination rituals. People would toss yarrow stalks like magical sticks to answer questions about the future, kind of like a botanical crystal ball. No matter how you use it, yarrow is a powerful reminder of nature's healing wisdom and our deep connection to the natural world. Yarrow is a plant that truly stands the test of time. As we continue to uncover the secrets of this remarkable herb, one thing is clear: yarrow is more than just a pretty flower. It's a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and the healing power of nature. From its prehistoric roots to its modern-day uses, yarrow has captured the attention of humans for millennia. Its ability to thrive in diverse environments, coupled with its remarkable medicinal properties, has made it a staple in traditional medicine systems. Whether used to stop bleeding, heal wounds, or soothe fevers, yarrow has proven its worth time and time again. In today's world, where the pace of life can feel overwhelming, yarrow offers a soothing presence. Its delicate blooms and aromatic foliage bring a sense of calm and tranquility to those who encounter it. Taking a moment to appreciate the beauty of yarrow can be a reminder to find peace in the midst of life as chaos. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the natural world, let yarrow be a guiding light. May its tenacity inspire us to persevere through difficult times, and may its healing touch serve as a gentle reminder of the power of nature to heal and restore. So the next time you come across a field of yarrow, take a moment to marvel at its resilience, appreciate its healing gifts, and let its beauty bring a sense of calm to your day. Before we part ways, I have a special invitation for you. Join me on a weekly basis for more captivating explorations of the plant kingdom. Together, we'll unravel the fascinating world of herbs, discover their incredible benefits, and learn how to incorporate them into our lives for a healthier, more natural lifestyle. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to embark on this exciting journey with you. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, stay curious, stay connected to nature, and above all, stay well.